你们好 This is 梁老师 again. Now 梁老师 wants to share with you how to play games on word language games. The same. At first, sign in your name. For example, if I sign in as Niveja, you go to Earn Points. Under Earn Points, first you can see vocabulary, then structures, then sentences. 梁老师 wants you to play vocabulary. Now, as long as we learn more, I want you to play sentences. Under vocabulary, you can see so many games. At this moment, because we have not learned a lot of stuff, we only had one class so far, so I want you to learn flashcards. You can play flashcards based on how much you got correct. You either get 0 point or 4 points. I disabled find them and double find them. You can play match them, connect them, and scramble. If you want to play definition, I want you to go to Decathlon. Decathlon is on the bottom. You click Decathlon, you're still able to play definitions. For example, if I click this one, you probably don't know the characters right now, but you can listen to the pronunciation, and you can look at the pinyin. What does 你 mean? You. Okay, 有没有问题? Is that 7? Do you have any questions? Probably this one. So I click this. Okay, this is how you play. Once you got, see here, 3 points. If you did 8, like or fewer times, if you got it wrong, like 17 times, you cannot earn any point. Once you finish, for each game, you just do check. Okay, so this will not take you too long to finish one game. Once you finish this, you can either keep doing definitions, or you can go to do any other game. You can go back and click again. They give you different games, or you can go back to the home page again to click Earn Points, and you can play match them. For example, hello teacher. Is that 老师好? So you click this A1, then you find 老师好. Oh, 老师好 is here. If you do not know the pinyin, you can click this listening to double check. Okay, it said you correct, okay? You are correct. Or you can do new game. Once you finish it, we'll tell you how many points you earn for that game. If you really want to know how many points you earned, you do checkpoints. And you can see now it's 0. Okay? This is how you play games. Have fun!